walking through the shadows for far too long. Forgot the words, but I still had the song. Every step, every fall, every lonely road taught me the rhythm of letting go. The night was heavy, but the soul still burned. Every scar was a lesson learned. Now I see the dawn painting my pain gold. Ain't no story too dark to be told. And I remember the silence, how it danced with my fears. But the groove kept moving even when no one could hear. Golden